I just finished blow drying my hair and we're at Stanley Ranch and the light and everything is just so beautiful in here. I just thought I would share it with you, and then I'll do a room tour since we're on together, might as well. So just a little impromptu morning live together. I know I rarely do lives here on Instagram. How are you guys doing? Okay, can I do this with my tea? I don't know. Let's go to the front of the house thing, the little casita, and then I'll bring you through all the details. How about that? Because I think you guys are gonna like this. Oh, thanks, Mumsy. She's looking fabulous. Hey, Rita. How are you guys? I'm live. Jason, I'm live, just so you know. Okay, so I'm gonna flip the phone around. Hey, JC. Happy Friday. Hey, Dottie. Yes. Okay, I'll flip it around, and I'm like standing at the door, right, that I would come in. Oh, you bought the silicone mask laser hair and it made a huge difference? Okay, I'm so glad. Okay, let's flip this around and look at this room. So this is at Stanley Ranch, and these rooms are all like independent little bungalows, casitas, right? This one is, I think, a deluxe 1-bedroom. Basically, this is like the highest level of a 1-bedroom, and then you go to 2-bedroom, I think. Okay, so when you first come in, you have a just little toilet room, a little nice, you know, another toilet. They have like beautiful textures here. It's just so lovely. So then you come in and you have kind of the like main little living area. They also have like the whole little, this is where I made my tea this morning, and just, you know, beverage station and everything. Jason ordered in room service this morning for breakfast. So you have this whole space for enjoying, and then outside, it's cold, so I might not go out there, but I'll show you. So you can imagine that in the summertime, when the grape vineyards are fully robust, you don't see these, you just see a mountain of green. But right now it's winter, so in case you don't know, grapevines do not look lush in the winter. They lose all their leaves. So that is one thing about this design, is in the winter, you're going to be more exposed in all of these properties than you would be in the summertime, because the summertime it's going to be nice and lush. Look at Jason, like went outside, I think. There he is. I know, Mumsy, you're laughing because you think I think it's cold. I mean, I'm like in a little robe. Hey. And there's a fire pit out here. So that's kind of fun. We sat by that last night. Okay, let's go back inside and look at the true masterpiece, which I believe is probably the bathroom. The bedroom is really beautiful though too. Oh, this fireplace goes through to the bedroom, so you can enjoy it from the living room or from in here. This bedding is, I mean, love the textures. This place has just done an amazing job with textiles, and just everything is so beautiful. So yeah, basically it's a mimic on this side of what was in the living room. And again, you have doors out, and that's where Jason is hanging out right now, I guess. And yeah, just king bed. Okay. So then we come in, you have like lots of great storage. This is one thing that's super nice. They give you this little vanity set up here. So I haven't used it, but it's definitely a catch-all. Okay, here is the bathroom. So on the sliding door, there's a mirror on both sides. So when it's shut, you can have it mirroring you on this side and on the wardrobe side. Okay, so you have this like beautiful big bath, and then dual sinks. You guys know how I feel about this. I've shared this a lot. I get it. I get the minimalist look. I mean, I like it, but when you come into a bathroom like this and there are no drawers and essentially the entire sink area is taken up with these sinks, what are you supposed to do with your stuff? It's just so frustrating. Okay. This was super cute. So this was like a little salt vessel and stuff and soap holder. So I used that in the tub last night. And then I did use the shower this morning. It did not get hot as fast as I would have liked, and it didn't have as much pressure, but it is beautiful. And I love how the floor grate is done. It's just gorgeous, right? And then on this side is the toilet, and it's a Toto. Very nice. Okay, so over here you do get like a magnifying mirror, which is great. So I did take this thing. Oh, the floors are heated. Amazing. Loving walking on these floors barefoot. I love the big tiles too. Like, it's just really lovely. And then you get this outdoor area for showering. Now, again, because I'm a weakling, most likely I'll never shower outside because it would be way too cold. If it was the summer, I would definitely shower outside. In the winter and January, I'm not going to shower outside. Jason can. Okay, so that was basically the tour of this place at Stanley Ranch. So in case you don't know, Stanley Ranch is, my hair doesn't have any product in it, so it's just kind of like flying everywhere. Stanley Ranch is at the bottom of Napa Valley. It's actually really on the Sonoma side, right next to Carneros, even though Carneros also says that it's in Napa. But they're both at the south end of the valley, really on the Sonoma highway side. And I had no idea that they were building this massive compound out here. So they have these hotel rooms, but they also, it's like a community that they're building. Like, you can buy properties and stuff out here. Anyways, super cool. Thought I'd just get on and share it with you guys. And, oh, this is the other thing, because you know that we've been doing carnivore. So I'm filming a video of this place, of course, for the Spa and Tell channel. But also I'm documenting like how we're vacationing here and staying on kind of these like strict carbless things. Oh, great. Jason's watching me live on his phone now. But I think it should be good. And I have to say, the spa offers bone broth, which is amazing. So I'm going to have that this morning when I get back over there. In fact, I'll be there in 20 minutes. So I'm going to go to the spa. And I'm going to get a facial. And I'm doing the cold plunge, which I really don't feel up to right now. So I'm kind of like, wait, why am I going to pay to do this cold plunge? But yeah, it's just like definitely a great like resort spa place. Alrighty. Well, thanks for joining me, you guys. Oh, I was going to say, last night at the Bear restaurant, I had... what did I have? I had bison tartare, and it was like the menu in a way was meant for like carnivore, ketovore people, because the bison tartare had these crispy things with it, but they were beef tendon puffs. And now I feel like I need to learn how to make beef tendon puffs because they were so good with this bison tartare. And then they had an incredible ribeye that Jason got, and we just kind of shared a little bit. Oh, thank you, WJM. She says, enjoy your time from Atlanta. Sweet. Okay, well, hopefully this live stays and I don't accidentally delete it the way I did the other one. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye, you guys.